Afternoon, everyone.
How are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, thank you.
Ma'am, did you have a great day?
Yes, thank you.
Did you have a great day?
Yes, today we have one more chapter that is riding my bicycle. Yes, with that, we are going to finish our revisions for English literature. Okay, so what is the girl telling us in the poem Riding My Bicycle?
The girl is telling her wheels on her bicycle goes round and round.
Hmm.
Um, and round. Her wheels will two, but it will sometimes it will be three.
Hmm.
If we are riding a trike.
Hmm. Then, what else?
She feels the sun on her face
Hmm.
and the wind in her hair.
Hmm.
How she get here from there?
Hmm.
Just doing what she like, riding her bicycle.
Hmm.
Before she even go out,
Hmm.
she thinks her safety.
Hmm.
She
And what
wears,
does she do to make sure about her safety?
she wears a helmet
Hmm.
and shoes to be protected.
Hmm.
And she,
Okay, yes, okay, fine. Good, Sahish. Okay, so the poem Riding My Bicycle is about a little girl who is telling us how much she enjoys riding a bicycle, how she feels the sun on her face and the wind in her hair when she is riding a bicycle. She is telling us that riding her bike is one of the most pleasantest, that is what she likes doing most, right? She enjoys riding her bicycle. The wheels of her bicycle go round and round, and sometimes she rides a bicycle and sometimes she rides a tricycle. Another important thing that she's telling us in the poem is that before she goes out riding her bicycle, there are some safety measures she takes. Okay, one is wearing a helmet to protect her head, another is wearing shoes to protect her feet, and then what she does is she avoids going on the roads and sticks to the footpath or the sidewalk so as to avoid any injury or any other traffic on the road. She makes sure she stays on the sidewalk. Okay. And lastly, she is also telling us that when you're riding a bicycle, it is also important to follow signals because it tells the other person if you're going to turn, and it is also a good habit, which is a safe and a polite habit to follow signals. Clear? Okay, now we had 4 meanings in this lesson. The first one was protected. What is protected?
kept safe.
Kept safe. Then sidewalk,
Footpath.
footpath, spills,
Falls.
signals.
Actions.
Okay, very good, very good. Now we will write some question answers. Please open your rough books. Please mute the audio.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished. Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, yes. How many wheels would be there if you are riding a trike?
3 wheels.
How many wheels would be there if you are riding a trike? Whose audio is not muted?
Ma'am, I'm not finished.
Please mute. Mute your audio. Aradhya, how many wheels would be there if you are riding a trike?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
riding a trike, 3 wheels have.
Your answer is correct, Aradhya, but the sentence is wrong. Okay, how many wheels would be there if you are riding a trike? There
A tricycle has 3 wheels.
yes, you can either write there would be 3 wheels if you are riding a trike, or you can write a trike will have 3 wheels.
Will have. A tricycle will have 3 wheels.
A trike.
You can write there would be 3 wheels on a trike, or a trike will have 3 wheels. Okay, second question.
Ma, finish.
But before I even go
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Ivan is host, that's why you cannot see the board.
When? Ma'am?
Now, please open the screen.
Ma'am is leave the class.
Ma'am is power fail. Ma'am, where are you? Near my. Ivan is host, that's why you cannot see. Ma'am, board.
Ma'am, not see You.
Now I cannot see you.
Ma'am, where are you?
Ivan is the host. You cannot see the man.
Okay. Okay. Eden. Okay.
Ma'am,
Eden.
where are you? Where is the host? Okay, my God. Ma'am, where are you?
Sorry, there was a power failure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, not clear the board.
1 second, 1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, board. Ma'am, third question.
Ma'am, the board is standing like
Yes.
this. Ma'am, that is
Now is it clear?
not clear, ma'am. No. Now it's clear. Not clear.
Now it should
Ma'am,
be
not
clear.
clear.
But
No.
before I even go, I have my safety to think about. What are the safety measures she takes?
Not clear.
That inside.
Who is, it's not clear. Your connection is having a problem, Agnes. Your video is getting stuck. So it is a problem with your connection. Yes, what does she do for her safety?
She wears a helmet every time.
Shoes helmet to protect her head, and she will wear the shoes to protect her leg.
Yes, she wears a helmet to protect her head and shoes to protect her feet.
No, it isn't good. But she's also naughty because she's very naughty. Nice watching. Oh. Human, are you down there?
Ma'am, board is not clear.
Why does the girl ask not to ride too fast while going down big hills? Why does the girl ask not to ride too fast while going down big hills? Yes, Renfred?
Because she doesn't want to take any spills.
Yes, but please do not start the answer with a because. The girl asks not to ride too fast because she doesn't want to take any spills. The girl asks not to ride too fast because she doesn't want to take any spills. Why is it important to use signals? Why is it important to use signals? Nived, are you writing or just sitting there and staring at the phone?
It saves and polite.
It is important to use signals because it is safe and polite.
I'm not finished.
Yes, right.
It saves and
The fifth question.
Huh?
Fifth question.
Ma'am, what
I'm
is
not
fifth
finished. I'm not finished. Now you can hear.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Agnes.
fifth question.
There is no fifth question. Finish these questions first.
Yes, ma'am. Not finished.
Everyone has finished.
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's
No.
safe and polite. Ma'am, can I read?
What? Ayush, you finished writing?
The poem.
Ma'am, my finish.
Agnil and Agnes and Agnil, Agnes and Anna Mary. Please keep your audios muted. Agnes, mute your audio. Yes. Others have finished? Ayush, have you finished? Ayush, no. Write fast. Finished? Ayush is still writing.
Ma'am, tomorrow It's my birthday.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I study question answer and the meanings. This note. I studied this note. I
Okay.
studied this note.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know this.
What?
Answers I don't know.
Which answers?
This answer.
How will I see, Agnel, if you tell me this answer? How will I understand what it is? Ayush, have you finished? Yes. Okay, fine. Now, all of you close your books. Close your books. Put your pencils down. Some very important things I have to tell you. Okay? Yes. So, I hope you all know today is the last day of online classes. No more online classes. We are starting exams from Friday. Okay? Friday evening 6 o'clock, you have to join Zoom. Like how you join for this class, you have to join. And whichever board it is given in your class groups, right? So that board, every day it will be from the same board. Okay, all exams will be conducted from the same board. You have to join that board by 6 o'clock. By 6:10, everybody will join and the teacher will post the MCQ through the chat. Okay, you will have 30 questions MCQ. You have to answer all those 30 questions. And by 6:30, in the WhatsApp group, we will post the question paper. Like how I sent the revision test yesterday. That way you will get it in the WhatsApp group. You have to open that and write your answers in a big paper. Okay, when you're writing, please make sure that paper has lines. It should be a ruled paper like this. It should be a ruled paper like this, okay? If you use a paper with lines, it will be easier for you to write. If it has no lines, your handwriting will not be good. If your handwriting is not good, teacher will not be able to read. If I'm not able to read, I cannot give you marks. So you have to write in a ruled paper. Yes? Okay. Another thing, I will tell you how to write the answers. Okay, for example, take the question paper I sent you yesterday. What was the first question? Picture comprehension. Remember? So you will write question number 1. Yes? And it had 4 sub questions. Okay, which day it is today, what are they doing or where are they, what were they doing, etc. So you will write A. Answer to the first one. Today is Sunday. Okay, after you finish this, leave a line, write B, write the answer. Then write C, write the answer. Write D, write the answer. Finished. Then next question, meanings. In that first one, write the answer. B, write the answer. Say, similarly, you have to attempt all the questions. Okay? Only write the question number and answer. Do not write the questions. You don't have to copy the questions here. Only answer and proper question number. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next, when you are writing, please make sure your pencil is sharpened properly. Okay, use a good pencil. If it is light and you take a picture of that, it will not be clear. So make sure your pencil is dark enough. Okay, use a dark pencil, proper sharpened pencil, and write your answers. Write neatly. Do not scribble or scratch. If an answer has gone wrong, erase it or cut the whole answer. If you want to cut an answer, I will show you. If this answer is wrong, don't do this.
I know the answer.
If your answer is wrong, don't scribble like this. Just cut the answer like this. Okay?
Ma'am, can we use a pen?
No, Renfred, I think a pen will spoil your handwriting. Okay, use a good pencil. That is enough. A dark pencil. Yes?
Ma'am, I have a pencil too.
Yes. Please use a good pencil. That's all.
This is a good pencil.
Yes.
Ma'am, I write this. 2 questions.
Okay, fine, fine.
2 answers.
So that is about how to write. And once you finish, please ask your parents to take pictures of your answers. You don't take. It might not be clear. Okay? And your teacher will send an email ID to your WhatsApp group. Send it to that email ID. Do not WhatsApp the answers to teachers. They will not be checking WhatsApp. So if you say, ma'am, I send it to your WhatsApp, no use, teacher will not be checking. Please email to your teacher. Okay? They will send you the email ID. You have to email it to that only. Yes? So that brings us to the end of this academic year. All of you are going to the 3rd standard now. Before that, please study well, write your exams well. Yes? I hope you had a good time.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush?
we need to write name.
Of course, name and class is important. If you don't write class also...
Why?
Huh?
Where?
I will tell you. Here, if this is your paper, here itself you write Ayush 2B, and then you write first question's answer.
Okay.
Please don't forget to write name and class.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, we will not understand whose paper it is. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do not forget name and class. Good, Ayush. Thank you for reminding me. I had forgotten that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so that's all. What are you showing me, Ivan?
Ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday.
Okay,
Ma'am
okay,
said-
fine. Yes.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Yes, Agnes. When you're writing the answers, again, I am telling you, write in sentences. One word answer, if you give me, I will not give you marks. Okay, except meanings, all others you have to write in sentences. Okay. So that's all for now. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.
You all.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.